Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So take a look at this gold, right? You can see a massive bullish move, and we actually predicted this bullish move on this gold, right? Then all of a sudden this price kind of gave us a pullback, and again we also predicted that to be going bullish. But guess what? We actually had a pullback here, and again price has further dropped below, which we never anticipated, right? We are actually predicting that this gold will actually move further up, so price kind of dropped. And also want you to have it in mind that this gold, you all know how to trade this gold. You all know that there's this correlation between gold and our index, which is our USD index or DXY. Is that when there is a bullish move on our DXY or USD index, we tend to see a bearish move on our gold. But once there's a bullish move on, but when there's a bearish move on USD index or DXY, then gold will go bearish, right? But once there's a bullish move on gold or DXY, then you would see like bearish move on this gold. There's kind of like a correlation. Once there's a drop on USD index, then we'll see a bullish move on gold. So we kind of see that there's kind of like a correlation between gold and this USD index, right? So one of the reasons why we're having this bearish move on this gold is that we're having a bullish move on our USD index. You can take a look at this, our USD index. Price is actually giving us that bullish move, which I still think it is a correction. I would want to see this price actually come to this level and take out this level, right? Before we continue our bearish move on this USD index, which I think will happen. So I'm not really sure, but let's see our USD index actually go bullish, right? Actually go bullish for some times before we actually get this drop. So as we be having this bullish move on this USD index, then be expecting a further drop on this our gold. So be expecting a drop on our gold, though we will go into that and would explain why we'll be moving such way. But let's take a look at this moving average. What is saying? We all know the rules of trading this moving average. Once the price is above our moving average, then we all know it is a buy, we have to go long. But once it is below it, then it is a sell. So for sometimes we see this price has been above our moving average. You actually went long, which was okay, right? It was good. Now this price has dropped to the extent it has broken below our 10-period moving average. We had a pullback that came here, and we now see another drop, right? It's kind of giving us like a bearish move, but we are only going to confirm, or it's only going to confirm this gold is a bearish move if only it breaks this previous low, if it breaks this lower lows, right? If this gold can drop further by breaking this lower lows, then our gold is now on a bearish move. If not, we'll just see this gold as like a continuous, like a double bottom, whereby it will continue this double bottom and it will continue our bullish move. It will only confirm, we are only going to confirm this if it is a bearish move. That is if only it breaks this low. So that is it on gold. Now to place this trade, we'd want to sit on this 4-hour time from now. So we saw that this price has come to this level, right? Price has rejected it. Price has come to this level, right? Rejected. Now price is dropping again to this same level. So we want to see this gold drop to a level of 1728. Currently we are trading at 1739 on gold. So let's see this gold drop to a level of 1728. Let me highlight it. 1728. This is the level we'll be watching out for our gold, but possibly even break below it. Possibly break below it. So we would want to watch out for a level of 1728. Then once price can drop it, then we should be expecting a bullish move again. So in that, it makes sense if reason is that we saw a reaction here. We saw this reacted price as once reacted here, gave us a pullback at this level. We also saw a pullback at this level, right? So it makes sense for price to actually react here. So price came to this same level and now it is dropping. So let's see if this price will drop to a level of 1728. Then once it drops to the level of 1728, then we can now go back to this level again, this resistance level on gold. So we can now go back to this resistance level on gold, then price can actually drop again. But except until we would want to be seeing this market as a ranging market move, until this price actually break our highs. Once this market move or gold kind of give us that bullish move by breaking this highs on this candlestick wick here, then we would continue our bullish move on gold. Or once this market drops further down by breaking a level of 1728, Once the market can just further down and break our level of 1728, then we can continue our bearish move. If not, this 4 hour time frame, we would want to see this price ranging here. So first of all, right, the first move we want to take this gold on is to this level, straight to a level of 1728, then possibly continue to ride up again to a level of 1744. So watch out for that level. A drop should be made to 1728, then a bullish move should be made to 1744 before we can continue our bullish move or a bearish move. Anyhow price plays out, we are going to take this trade on this gold.